gates of the prison house will close on this busy milk person within seconds on This Is the Law. Ladies and gentlemen, will you welcome, please, the moderator of This Is the Law, Austin Willis.
Good evening. On This Is the Law tonight, we'll meet King Kong and discuss a dispute in a supermarket. And to cope with these problems, here's our panel, starting with Hart Pomerantz, Bill Charlton, Julie Amato, and our special guest, Donnelly Rhodes. Donnelly Rhodes, one of Canada's splendid actors who goes hither and yon to ply his trade, and we're very happy to have him hither tonight.
Thank you.
Donnelly, you should find this show quite easy. I understand you're up here playing a police cop yourself.
Yes, but I have a partner in the show. His name is Jonathan Welsh, and he plays the smart cop. And
he does.
So
and you
don't
play
look for too much.
Well, I hope you're very smart tonight.
Okay.
In our first film tonight, the Lawbreaker looks around for some honest employment and finds himself a job in High Prairie, Alberta as a dairy person. "90 seconds is all you have to spare the High Prairie offense committed so obviously in our film. So, Julie Amato, would you start on this easy one, please?
I don't think a person can clean a barn and get all dirty and then go milk a cow. I think it's against the law. You have to just be a milking person.
Unsanitary is the very word you're looking for.
That's it. It's unsanitary.
That's the very word, but it's the wrong.
Oh!
Too bad. Bill.
Well, let's go for the simple one, eh? The pitchfork shouldn't have been left there so that he could fall on it. It's quite straightforward.
No, that's not against the law, Bill. Tush and nonsense.
In High Prairie? You've been to High Prairie?
Yes, I have, and I've stepped on many a pitchfork.
Have you? Yes.
Donald Rhodes.
I was going for the sanitary, too, you know. I see he wasn't wearing gloves, and I thought maybe he, you know, cold hands on the counter, but then he melted by the tail, so...
no,
I think it's against the law to... fool around with the maid while you're milking.
No, you can do that in High Prairie, too.
I think it had to do with the way he was dealing with it. He tasted the milk, first of all, which is not proper. And secondly, he put the milk in an iron pail. It should be in a plastic jug.
No, there's a
the
few...
way I get it,
No,
anyway.
no, Hart, there are a few steps in between this process and when it gets to the jug.
Well,
Anyway, you're way off the
way
track.
off the base.
There's something that must be kept in the barn. Now, quickly, starting with Donnelly.
Something must be kept in the barn.
No, that's a blank.
Oh, the milk. The milk
Julie,
has to be
no,
kept in
not
the barn.
milk. Bill. Julie.
The milk person
Not
has
the
to
milk
stay in the
person
barn.
either. Something he took... Oh,
the
fuss.
cows.
Surprised you didn't dig that one. In High Prairie, Alberta, it's the natural law that manure has to be kept in the barn.
Oh, for goodness
Mustn't be taken outside, you see. Yes, in High Prairie, Alberta, this is the law. And that farming rule was raked up for us by Mrs. Delphin Halderson of High Prairie itself, and $25 is in the pipeline to her now with our many thanks.